Uh, Hi Jim. How's your evening going? I think I'm ready to get started. Let's see now. How's the audio sounding? I kinda did a little bit of extra setup today. Also, sorry if I kinda sound a bit stuffy. I guess okay, except for my foot. Hopefully it gets better. I'm going to a doctor soon. Oh no! What happened to your foot? Did it get hurt? I think one of the things I wanted to work on today. I have 2 streams going. You're softer and less crisp than the other, but that may just be y'all's voices. Yeah, I'm still sort of feeling a bit under the weather, so I'm probably sounding softer than usual. And I feel like in general my voice is just kind of soft. Not sure what's up with my foot. It got better this morning, then regressed a bit. Oh shoot. Yeah, maybe you do want to go get it checked out. Get some x-rays and stuff. Alright, this texture, the sprite. Oh, it is a one scale. Maybe I don't need to edit some of these. Oh, but your scale is that, so you might want to edit this one. Yeah, what I was thinking of doing is getting getting the sprites to be the actual resolution that I'm using them in the game, instead of like a resized version. But maybe I don't need to do that. So wait, the coins, if it's at that, there's gonna be distortion, I think. Because if they're not whole numbers, it has to do like, I forget what it is, but it's whatever filter it uses. It's not quite right. So let's make these coins the size that they should be. And here. Oh, this is so much better. I was watching Camimoop's stream, was it yesterday or the day before? And he had it all like this instead of that. This is what I normally did. I didn't know you could go to this mode. This is so much easier to see these icons. Okay, so what resolution do I actually want you to be at? Sprite size 32 by 32, and I'm doing 150%, so that's gonna be an additional 16 pixels. So we need 48, I think. Okay. $48 by $48. Let's get a new layer, reference layer of the coin. And then I want the grid. What are you gonna be? 3 by 3? No. You're just gonna be 1 by 1. No, you're not. What? Huh. How was it? Wait. 3 by 3? I'm okay with large raids? I think so. I might miss some folks' comments though. But if they don't mind that, I'm okay with it. Alright, this is gonna be a bit weird, I think. So I'll need to... Why, are you planning on having somebody raid me? Do you have, like, secret influence? I might suggest you if the opportunity arises. Not that I have super connections or anything. Well, I appreciate it, Jim. But I'm just happy to have folks like you around. I think I'd much rather have a close-knit community of people who share common interests. But I also don't mind, you know, having new folks in either. What do I even want this to be? If I did 2 by 2, that would get kinda close. Just a bit ago, I was on a 125-person stream asking for suggestions on rating. You weren't online, so I suggested Time Enjoyed. Time Enjoyed's a pretty fun stream. It's got some fun birds in it. It's a good Python learning experience. I was watching her earlier today a little bit. Alright, I think I am gonna do 1 by 1. And I'll just try to get them close. Okay. So I do this, and then I sample all the different colors. Add you, add you, add you, add you. Learn with Leon has unexpectedly rated software and dev streams directly before, so that could be a 3 to 4K viewer raid. We freaked out a couple of streamers who at first feared it was a hate raid. Well, if I see you in there, Jim, I'll know it's not a hate raid. But I mean, even if I get hate raided, I feel like I'll be fine. There's not a whole lot folks could do that would, you know, make me too upset. I think those are all the colors. That would be terrifying. I mean, at some point, you just have to kind of take a few steps back and realize that it can't really hurt you. Today was a stream team stream. That was the unrelated viewers we rated Time Enjoyed with. Nice. Also, hi, Aaron. How's your evening going? Okay. I wonder if you have the sound muted. Oh, you can hear me. Trying to decide if I need more food already. More food's always fun. I'm doing okay. I'm feeling a little under the weather, so sorry if I sound a little sniffly. I took some nose spray, so I should be pretty decent. Time Enjoyed keeps getting raids of raids that started with Leon. Oh, well, I mean, if it's sort of like a learning-centric one, it's good that it ends on her, because she's learning all sorts of stuff. And I feel like she's maybe learning for the first time about programming, which it's really encouraging to see folks helping her out with all that stuff. Let's zoom in on you. Oh yeah, Learn with Leon is running a free bootcamp for JavaScript full stack. Pretty good group. Good to hear. Yeah, it's nice that there's resources like that for folks. I know a decent amount of JavaScript, but that's mostly for work stuff. And as I've said before, if I get motivated enough to work on work stuff, I should probably just work on work stuff. I don't know how this coin's gonna turn out. Might have to adjust some of the edges. Do. Okay, that was faster than I thought. I just suggested Time Enjoyed raid you. She was asking, but actually called out your... Oh! Well, thanks, Jim. And soon to be thanks, Time Enjoyed, I guess. Oops. Let's put them there. That's not looking too bad. It's a bit thick, though. Let's see if I can... Maybe like that? No, that just looks kind of silly. This is harder than I thought. I'll figure it out, though. Don't you worry. Maybe on the insides? No. Maybe I just wanna... make you small? Maybe that's it. Could be that these sides just were a little too thick. Maybe I misunderstood or she got momentarily extended. No worries. This side doesn't... Well, actually kind of does look like that side. I think that looks relatively circly. Maybe just like that. Don't worry about it, Jim. All right, and then... Am I looking at this right? And then take a chomp out of that side. I think that's vaguely circle-y shaped. And like symmetrical. Probably. Decisions. Alright, let's move on to the next part. The inner part. So we're gonna need some shady parts. These parts. It looks kinda silly. Maybe like that? No. Oh no, why are you green? Why is this green? Okay. Right click. Eric, wait, no. There. Got it. Okay. I like trying to have it looks like a good enough one, I think. I like having the transparent for right click. Makes it a lot easier for me to undo and redo stuff. This shading might be getting a bit heavy. Yeah, that is way too thick. Let's maybe bring the one out some more. That's just looking all sorts of goofy. Maybe I am just okay with using the scaling. I don't know. Let's see what it does. $48. I mean, that's not so bad. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna leave well enough alone. Because let's see what you look like in the game itself. Yeah, that's fine. And it's gonna get resized anyways by camera zooms and stuff. Hi, Shiny Albie. Eat grilled cheese? I might have to. Yeah, I was watching, Shiny Albie before streaming. She was playing some Dark Souls, and she actually inspired me to start up a run recently, too. Because I'd never tried a dagger build before. I let them decide my dinner. I am eating grilled geese. Sounds fun. I hope it's tasty. That's also an interesting thing to do for, like, a stream poll. Is, like, let your viewers decide what you're gonna have. I feel like there was something else I wanted to work on, but I forget what it was. Oh, that's right. Eventually, I think I do need to do something about this quote sprite. Still too closely resembling quote from Cave Story. I'll be real, Nova. I truly did not have the brain power to make a decision and let them tell me what to do. I feel you there. I definitely feel you there. I've been kind of feeling under the weather lately, so making decisions is not too easy. Do. Chomp. Oh, right. I remember what I was gonna do. I need to go through and beat all of my levels. Because if I can't do that, then I shouldn't release it. Okay, let's play the game, but for real. Kind of want to grab my controller. What? I got it, I think. I hope it's hooked up. I've been swapping out computer parts lately because I've got a few clients that I do hardware installs for, and sometimes they need parts from my, we'll call it scrap heap of random computer junk. Okay. Let's play the game. Alright, here we go. Yeah, it'd be like that? Yep. Okay, you can pause the game with P or the start button. That works. Move with WSD arrow keys D-pad. Got the D-pad going. Left stick, for now, go this way. I'm going this way. Pick up the coin with right trigger. Yep. Drop prizes in there. Avoid hazards. You can dash with shift or left trigger. Okay, I'm shifting. Does your boss have a second spare SSD? It's totally for work stuff. So yes, I am my own boss, and I do have spare SSDs. Hi Dr. Fish, how's your evening going? This button, it's the laser. Gotta grab these ones. Put them in there. How am I? I'm a little under the weather, but feeling a bit better. So now I'm going through and I'm gonna beat each level in my game, just to make sure that I can, and there's nothing like too badly broken in it. Scrape them in there. Alright, bombs explode. I'm explaining that. There's a bomb. Experience potions. Level up pressing select. Okay. Get some more sprints. Alright. Let's beat the level. Time for cozy stream? Yes. I will try to be super cozy. Alright, you beat the level, and from there you could do options. Oh, I don't know if I have controller support for options yet. I don't. So if you're using a controller and you select options, you're stuck. Always have super cozy stream here. Oh, thanks, Dr. Fish. It makes me pretty happy. Oh yeah, nice arcade background. It's kind of quiet though. Yeah, you have a nice voice to zone out and listen to? Thanks. That is the intended effect. If I can make people zone out and just sort of get relaxed, then I'll consider it a job well done. Now let's play Angry Duck. What? Oh. Oh, okay. Hi, Vusa Studios. Thanks for the follow. Alright, gotta get my coin. Ow. Avatar pin? Gym of Leisure pin. Got it. Will do. I think it's still even in here. Okay. I'm gonna wear it like a brooch. There we go. Finally some fellow Godot user? Oh, you do Godot stuff too? Nice. Feel free to self-promote in chat if you want, or on our Discord server. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of Godot users around in here. I'm making... I suppose I should introduce myself. Hi, I'm Nova. I'm learning the Godot engine by making a claw machine game. And I'm actually almost finished with it, I think. And then I'm gonna put it on itch.io. But I want to go through and play it first. Just to make sure that it all works okay. Did I? That's right, I hid another coin back here. I just do random Godot videos on YouTube. Nice! Yeah, feel free to post a video of yours in the Discord channel. There's a self-promote section. I mean, the Discord server, there's a self-promote channel in there. Plop the coin in there. Nice. That gem should be enough. Alright, I beat that level. Let's see. Baseball. Oop. 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 Ah. Oh. What? Yeah. I'm not very good at this level, but I do think it's completable. Maybe that one would be easier. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. What? What? Oop. Oh no. Just showcase. I'm planning to do tutorials as soon as I finish my exams. Nice. Good to hear. I'm gonna mess around in 2D for my next project, and I've been considering picking Godot back up. I think you should, Shiny LP. The Godot community, at least on Twitch, is super friendly. I know a bunch of them have helped me out a ton. Whoop. Oh, right. It was like introducing the channel and stuff. So yeah, for the channel, I'm trying to make super relaxing content that you could, put on in the background while you study, help you wind down the evening, or maybe even help you fall asleep. And yeah, I'm all about self-promoting here. If you have something you want to show off, I want to see it, and I'll try to bring it up on stream if I can. Godot is good and really powerful in 2D, yes. Or at least, as far as I've seen it is. Nice. If I were doing a 2D project, I don't think I'd use anything else. I've got half a mind to try to use it for some work projects. Yep, I've already used it for 2 different work projects. I was thinking of using Unity because Unity is my bread and butter, but hey, maybe I could learn something new. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking about. Demonic Princess recently gifted me a Game Maker Studio license, so I think I'm gonna try to learn that as well, and I might stream it a bit, because I've never used it before. And it's kind of fun to learn new engines. Even for 3D, it's nice once 4.0 version releases. It's a lot better even in alpha version. Yeah, I think for my next Godot project, I want to use the 4, even if it's still in alpha then. Huh? What? Let's get some shields. Push the hazards out of there. You used to tutor Game Maker Studio? Nice. I might come to you for advice then. I've got a friend who's working Game Maker Studio project, but I've never seen the engine. Would be neat to see me run through it. Good to hear. I'll keep that in mind. So I might run through it, kinda how I'm doing now. Game Maker is not worth it for 2D only if you already learn Godot. However, Game Maker is nice to learn. Yeah, I think it's just fun to learn new engines. So I mean, I sorta know Godot, but I wouldn't consider myself like an expert or anything. Not even close. I'll tell you right now that Godot is probably a better engine than Game Maker Studio, but I mean, it's fun to learn new ones. Yep. Holy smokes! You weren't kidding, Jim. Hi, Time Enjoyed. How's your evening going? High Safety Vest 2789. Thanks for the follow. Holy smokes or holy shit? Yes, very much either or. So yeah, to any of those of you who might be new, hi, I'm Nova. I'm learning the Godot game engine by making a claw machine game. This looks like Cave Story. So I'm sort of quote unquote borrowing the sprite until I can make a better one. I'm trying to change it little by little, so eventually it'll be all my own sprite. But I'm also learning how to do sprite art, so I'm not quite there. I changed the hair, added a hair clip, and gave a little cat loaf on top. But yeah, I still need work to do. But yeah, so making this claw machine game, and oh, thanks for the subscription, dude. That makes me really happy. I'm glad you liked the content enough to want to subscribe. I'll try to get some cool emotes. I was actually working on one the other day. I copied from Demonic Princess, and she said I could use it. Now, where did I put it? Oh wait, isn't there a recent files? Dance cat. There it is. Yeah, I made a dancing cat. It dances and it's all neon. Thanks for the follow. Wait. Oh, and thanks for the subscription, Shiny Alpi. And yeah, thanks for the follow, Lee, 1097. Yeah, thanks so much. But yeah, I'll try to make some cool emotes that you can use. And oh right, the channel. Sorry everyone if I seem kind of out of it. I'm feeling a little under the weather with like a head cold or something. Thanks intelligence. Thanks for the follow. So yeah, I'm learning the Godot game engine and making claw machine game. The song right now that we're hearing is by Exodrifter, another streamer who you should all check out. And actually, I forgot to do shoutouts. I'm sorry. There's Time Enjoyed, who is working on learning Python and making a tarot card reader, which I think is really neat. And Shiny Alpi, who was playing Dark Souls, and I was just watching her before streaming. She convinced me to pick up the game again and try a new build. And Doohoo is pretty neat and pretty active in the Discord. Let's see. Sorry, I missed a bunch of comments up there. You made Nova swear again? Oh no! Yeah, I can swear. I have the ability. Going well. Got semi-indirectly rated by Learn with Leon. Oh, nice. Thank you for the entertainment and chill vibes from Doohoo. Aw, thanks. I'll continue to try and be chill as I can. Just matching, sent here via Gym of Leisure. Oh, nice. Thanks, Jim. Just matching up good streamers and audiences. Nice, nice. I should give a shout out to Jim too then. Reverb from audio? Let's see. Do you hear it now? Is it sounding okay? Let me try. don't think I'm getting reverb. It's kind of sad when the spiky things die and fade out. Yeah, I suppose it's a little sad. I maybe should make them look a little angrier. Let's see, what else? Sorry, I'm not used to seeing this many comments. I'll try to get through them. And if I missed any, I'm not ignoring them. I just honestly missed them. Trying an int dagger build for the first time, and it's weird and fun. Big recommend. Yes, Shiny LP, it is super fun. I also recommend. Nova, you are at all times at least chill enough. Yeah, audio clear here too. Good to hear. Also, Aaron does pretty neat. He mixes streaming game dev stuff with lifting weights. It's a very interesting and intriguing combination. Audio's been sounding normal for me. Good. I think that's just the lo-fi effect. Oh, yeah, it could have been the song you were hearing. But yeah, the Godot community here on Twitch has been super friendly and helpful. I don't think I would have come nearly this far without everybody's help. Oh, and thanks for the follow, Sasha Rana. Yeah, so one thing I forgot to mention, if any of you do any game dev or art stuff, feel free to self-promote, and I'll bring it up in chat if I can. Or I'll bring it up on stream if I can. And also, feel free to self-promote on our Discord as well. There's a bunch of different game devs and artists in there, and I really want to see all your work. So today, I'm kind of going through all the levels I made and making sure that I can actually beat them before I release the game. If any of you want to play, there's a relatively recent build over here. Oh, wow, I'm a dummy. I didn't realize I had stream open in another window. Oh, yep, I've done that before plenty of times. Don't worry. I love how Nova's first reaction is to shout at as many people as possible before promoting his own stream. Well, I mean, I don't know. I like a lot of streams here. I want you all to check out the things that I like. So yeah, if I missed anyone, let me know. I'll shout you out. Oh, hi, Anas98. Thanks for the follow. Okay. I don't think I did the ball pit yet. Whoa! Whoops. I just had, hi, Techiathano. Thanks for the follow. So, I didn't realize it, but like, it's capturing the input for both of them. So like, I could play 2 games at once. It'd be a really interesting speedrun challenge. I think I just want to play the 1 game for now, though. Just the nicest? Oh, thanks, Aaron. So how long have I been working on this project? About a little over 2 months, I think. I'm actually only working on this project on stream, so if you want, you can see the whole thing from start to finish. In the beginning, I didn't really know what I was doing, so it's probably not going to be very interesting. But I feel like I've learned a whole bunch along the way. Oh, thanks, Shiny Helpy. Oh, and one of the challenges that I was trying to adhere to was I I was trying to look up stuff online as little as possible and rely just on the engine itself and its built-in documentation, and from chat. But now that I'm kind of like in the finishing stretch of the game, I kind of wanna like I'm removing the restriction of looking up stuff online. I still haven't actually been looking up too much stuff though. Jim, when I followed, Noah was just getting started, so early February. Yeah. Jim was one of the first people who was checking me out. It was super encouraging. So yeah, thanks, Jim. Okay, this level is probably not that difficult, but it just has these fun, like, these like springy balls all over the place. So it might just be kind of a fun level. Also, you might notice that I'm not shooting the slimes. And that's because the more slimes you kill, the less often slime coins drop. So you want to have very few slime kills. Shot some potions by mistake and destroyed them. It looks really great, well done. Oh, thanks! I'm glad you enjoy it. But yep, I wanted to make it so that most stuff was destructible. So you gotta be careful with your lasers. Alright, so yeah, ball pit level, super easy, but you know, it's a ball pit. Hazardy might be a little tricky. I recently changed these spikies to be on, on kind of a spring thing, so they sort of wobble a bit. And the little gimmick of this level is that all the coins only drop up here, so you have to keep going back and getting them. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the music in this game is by Exodrifter. Another streamer who is also working on a game in Godot and Rust. And yeah, I really like her music. And she's, I licensed a few songs to use in the game. Oh no, there's a bomb down there. It blew a slime right into me. Grab these. Oh, no. Oh, I'm almost there. Oh no, bomb. No. The bomb takes up a lot of damage. Hi, Ermi Huber. I hope I'm saying that right. Thanks for the follow. Whoops. Okay. Oh no. Just gotta make it. Did it. Alright, what level's next? The maze. This one I'm actually kind of proud of. It's really zoomed in, and it's a maze, and you gotta go around and find all the coins. And then put them in the prize space down there. So let's go on a hunt for these hidden coins. And I'm the one who made it, and even I still get lost sometimes. Alright, I think it's down this way. Oh no. Wasn't paying attention. Oh, I missed the claw got a face. I remember you saying it needed one. Yeah, I mean, before it had no face, and, that wasn't too fun. And then I made a face, and it looked really weird on it. So then, I can't remember who suggested it, but I kind of made it look like an old CRT screen, with like a cat face kind of thing. And I think that looks way better. It was also pretty fun to make, too. Got my happy little robot claw machine. Cat thing. I think I found a bug somehow. The level up button's displaying, even though I don't have any level up points. That shouldn't be, but it's kind of an inconsequential bug, other than a minor annoyance. Oh! Nope. It's this way? Oh. Nope. I always get tricked into going down that hall. I want to go this way. Nope. Alright. Whoa. If I remember right, there was a coin... Whoa. Over here? Oh. Up here? It's on one of these ledges, unless it got knocked over. I think it might have got knocked over. It should be somewhere along the bottom, then? There it is. Found you, coin. You're coming with me. I need you to beat the level. Alright, I need just one more coin left. And there's actually 2 more coins left in the level. I wanted to make it a little forgiving. Oh, I probably should get a health potion though. Unless... yeah, it's right over here. I know! Slippery... Alright. Quick health potion trip, and then we'll go find the last coin. Alright, go up here. And it's way over here, I think. There's one way, way down here, which is now covered in slimes. So you'll notice up at the top of the screen I now have 5 slime kills. And that should carry over between levels. If I've programmed it right. Because I want you to feel the weight of your sins, of those poor helpless slimes. Alright, did the maze. Here there be more slimes. So this is the level you really want those slime coins to drop on. Because otherwise it's going to be kind of tricky to beat the level. I got one of these right off the bat. Nice. Justice for slimes? Exactly. They're so cute. They can't help it that they hurt you if they touch you. And yeah, the slime coins, especially on this level, were kind of my way of getting the pacifist route, like, you know, the proverbial or whatever, the peaceful route, a chance. Alright, that wasn't too bad, especially with those slime coins. Newbie Zone. This one is like one of the first level types I made. It's basically just to show you all the stuff. I don't think it's going to be very hard, but it might be a little tricky with those bombs. Got a few batteries. Let's get some shields on us. Use the shield to make sure we don't get hit by the slimes, and to make sure we don't hit the slimes. Keep the battery chain going. This level actually, like if you don't keep the shields up, might actually get kind of tricky. So maybe it's not as much of a newbie zone as I thought. Does the shield time out even if you don't get hit? Yep. See, it just wore off. It's basically just, it counts down. I think I have it set for 5 seconds. Like per battery, you get an additional 5 seconds. So I guess the newbie zone, the newbie in that wouldn't necessarily be the player, but like the creator. Like it's a newbie level for a newbie game dev. Maybe. Alright, this level I'm interested to see how it actually plays. It's gone through a number of changes. So the goal is you want to kind of help the coins get down in like this pachinko-y sort of way. So you gotta clear out the blocks and stuff and avoid the spikes and try to nudge the coins in. And hopefully they don't fall off like that one just did. Whoops. Oh, you'll still make it in, I think. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Let's nudge you in. Oh no. Phew. Oh no, the 10 coin. Oh, I missed it. Oh, gem's coming. Good, good. Seems like the blocks on the edges would help. Oh, you're right. Yeah, I should just leave blocks there. That is a good strategy, actually. Thanks for the tip. I'm already getting help on my own dang game. I expect there will be people who are much better at these games than I am. Oh no, come back. Oh. Yeah, right there, having the block there would help. Oh, but it's too wide. I need to make it so that, yeah, like, oh no, I pushed it through. All right. I'll get that strat working. Wow, that was actually closer than I thought it was going to be. My health was kind of getting low. Alright. That one's done. Let's try out the pinball level. Alright, I found a bug. The right-hand paddle doesn't work anymore. Avatar pin? Let me show new folks the avatar pin option. I picked a previously used pin by someone else. You picked that, I'm betting, in the Discord. Let's get some music going. While I do some debugging. This one. Oh, nice. A little sleepy cat. Alright, I wonder if I still have that in there. Oh, gotta add it. Put a sleepy cat on my head. Nice. Hi Titan Seeker. How's your computer going? Is it getting better? Titan Seeker has been dealing with some computer problems. Usually they're working on some really neat 3D art assets for their game. It's like a horror game that uses a really neat gameplay mechanic that I don't want to spoil, but it's super neat. Heard your compy was sick? Yeah, it really was. Me too? Oh no! I help? Jim connect with people. Yeah. Thanks, Jim. It is fixed now. The pump failed. I managed to track down a replacement at Best Buy today. Nice! Good to hear. And yeah, if the pump on your water cooler failed, that's definitely going to cause your CPU to shut off, like, almost immediately. Right, the pinball level. I'm glad I went through all the levels. Because otherwise, it would have slipped through the cracks. So it's gonna be in the claw machine scene. The paddles. Paddle side right. Oh yeah, I had to replace mine recently. Oh, yikes. Back to the regular schedule starting tomorrow? Excellent! I look forward to it. I've been missing your stream. It's, I kinda habitually watch it during my lunch break every day. And it's super relaxing. Relaxing, oddly enough, for a horror game dev stream. Alright, so why does the right paddle not fire? If the paddle sides is right, activate paddle, should be the right paddle switch. Oh, plus I don't remember if I put in the Discord, but newly debuted game dev that does Godot stuff too. Nice. And yeah, if you haven't already put it, so in the Discord server, which, you know, I'll just plop again a link to it. There's a Promote Others channel, which I really want folks to, like, post anybody that you like to watch in there. Because I want to know the people that I like to watch. I want to know what they want to watch. Because I mean, chances are the people who I want to watch some pretty cool people. Project settings, input map, right paddle, left paddle. R1. That should work. Unless that R1 isn't what I think it is. Oh, maybe I need these ones in there too. I did drop my YouTube link there. Good to hear. Yeah, that's perfect. That's what I want folks to do. Cause I'm kinda, so a long time ago, or not that long, but longer now than it seems, I was in a computer club at college, and I had a lot of fun there, and I want to sort of try and recreate that sort of thing here on Twitch and on Discord. So a bunch of people making cool stuff, and everybody's interested in each other's things, and we all take turns showing what we were doing. I think that would be rad as heck. It's working? Are you referring to your computer? A computer club is a good way to describe your Discord. I know, right? That's exactly what I want it to be. So yeah, if any of you are working on anything at all neat, in art or anything, please self-promote, because I want to see it, and I'm sure there's a bunch of others who want to see it too. Button 5. So this should be working though. Okay, where's the code here? Paddle sides right. Left, right. Oh. Is it never getting assigned to right? It is there, but is it in this level? Oh, it is there too. No, the making of the little community? Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I see Doohoo pop up all over the place with VTuber developers. It's pretty dang neat. Thanks for the work you do, Doohoo. Hope I'm saying your name right. Please correct me if I'm not, though. I don't have a problem. I can quit VTuber devs anytime I want. Oh no! Oh no, you do. The first step is you have to admit it. Okay. Where? Right, left? Is it working if I just play the scene? Works with all the other ones, but not my controller. Which is kinda sad. I like your emote. It's super cute. Let's see now. What could be causing the paddle to not work? I guess maybe I do have to add in these other ones. Okay, let's try adding in L2. Joy button. Where are you? L2. Close and test it out. Oh, that was it. Weird. I think it's just this controller that I have. It's like an old... the controller's not old, but it's modeled after the old Super Nintendo controllers. Confirmed for quality emote? Yeah. It's a super little viber. Just chilling out. Oh, but yeah, the controller. Old Super Nintendo controller that I mainly use for Mega Man X speedruns. Which I haven't checked in a while. I wonder if I'm actually on the board yet. Speed run. Let's see. Did I make it? Oh, right. It's 100%. I'm way down here if I'm there at all. I don't see me. I'd be right around here. Looks like they haven't accepted my time yet. In Discord, they have that emote as an avatar. When they post it, you can hover over the avatar and try to sync the head bobbers up. You gotta make your own fun, right? Oop. Oh no, coin. This level, I feel, could be a lot more interesting. Somehow. But I don't know. It's just kind of an interesting diversion and exploration in, could I make a pinball level using the stuff that I had made? The answer, yes. Is it fun? Maybe. Someday maybe I'll make like a real pinball game with like different routes and unlockables and all sorts of little puzzles to unwind about where you gotta get the the ball to go. In pinball, is the ball actually called a ball, or is it something different? Also, I just noticed there's no user interface going on right here. Did it not get loaded? Or maybe I have to load the game this way. Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's see. Well, I pretty much already beat the level. No, I gotta stick to my guns. Let's actually finish the level. Just to make sure we can. Do. And whoop. And whoop. And do. Getting it. Let me actually... There we go. I think having the different musics was maybe a bit confusing. Let's just play this one for a while. Almost there. Oh, just a little bit more. Ah, juggling coins. All right, we did it. Only got a few more levels to go. Oh, the platformer. I like this one a bunch. It's cool that you can reuse things like that for a different minigame. I know, right? Yeah, I think that's probably one of my favorite parts of game dev stuff. Is like trying to find interesting ways to use the things you've already made. This one... So this level, you have to go around and find all the gems, because none of the prize spawners will spawn any coin-generating items. But there's like... You gotta be kind of fast, or else stuff starts building up. So like, the strategy I use is first I get that one, so that I can use the shields. Oh right, these gems in this level are special. They give you health, shields, mana, and I think sprints. But yeah, you gotta go through quick, or else the level kind of builds up against you. Oh, ah! Oh no! Oh no! Come on, I need to fix this, I think. Alright, let's bring you back. When I was in school, I was in a lab that was about using video game stuff for non-video game purposes. Oh, nice! That'd be super fun. Video game tech has so much real-world applications. I know, right? Yeah, like I was saying earlier, I've actually even used the Godot game engine for a couple of projects for clients that I have. It's super neat. Yeah, see, if you leave the slimes alone up here, after a while they get a bit built up, and then a bomb will randomly spawn. Yeah, at GodotCon 2020 and 2021, they had a session on using Godot for business presentations. Oh, nice! I also made a tileset editor using Godot. Nice! If you have a link to it somewhere, please share it, either here or on the Discord. Alright, should be the last coin. I mean, not coin, gem. Oh no! I grabbed a block. That's okay though. Let's plop you in there, and we did it. Okay. Are the bombs the only natural predator of the slime? I don't think the bombs actually destroy the slimes. I think it's just your laser that can destroy them. And a college project about student management system using Firebase as databases. Oh, nice. I haven't really gotten into using Firebase all that much, but I feel like I should. I'm super interested in that. The Godot for Business presentation? Yeah, for sure. Tileset Generator. Let's take a look. Whoops. Oh, neat. This would have been super helpful for me to use. When I was trying to make the walls for this area. I kind of liked how they turned out, so I think I'm fortunate, but I'll definitely be checking this out later. I'm also super interested. Oops, you posted the link. Nice, nice. Yep. Pixelorama is an open source pixel editor in Godot. Ooh, nice. Let's take a look-see. Hey, that looks super snazzy. Like Bubble City in the distance. That's pretty neat. I'll have to check that out as well. Oh, so I see the crane claw is the only thing the slime fears. Yes. You are its only threat. And they're not afraid of you. But I mean, they're just nice little slimes. Do you really want to murder them? I should almost put in like an achievements thing and have like negative achievements too. Like if you kill 100 slimes, it'll be the achievement like, how could you? They were super friendly. I think I don't have the background stuff on loop in here. Let me go check out that stuff. A YouTube video of... Oh, it's your YouTube channel. Nice. Yeah, if you haven't already... oh wait, I think I remember you mentioning you posted that in the Discord. Nice. This includes other projects too? YouTube Showcase? Yeah. I'll definitely check it out. Imagine being a competent dev rather than a cringe internet dragon. A cringe internet dragon? Did I miss something? I mean, an internet... Oh, do you mean like because you hoard all the links? Slime genocide run any %? I know, right? It could be. Oh, were you talking about yourself, Doohoo? Yeah, I think don't sell yourself short. Pretty sure it's still on YouTube. Looking for my notes. Taking a bit. Interested in that. Sorry, I'm kind of trying to follow comment trails. No, I mean, you've got some cool stuff going on. Wait. I'm just double checking to make sure that I've followed you. Okay, good. Internet Dragon, the all-powerful overseer of the internet, according to Urban Dictionary? Nice! I want to meet more internet dragons. Hey now, those of us who are incompetent and also not internet dragons are feeling pretty attacked. Oh dear. What was I doing again? Oh right, the background sound, music, sound, arcade background. You're not set to loop. That's why you were stopping. Okay, let's play again. Go to here. All right, now we should get some nice arcade stuff. Actual description of Doohoo. Many doubt the existence of the internet dragon. That's exactly what it wants you to think. Is that what you want them to think? Are you okay with us thinking that? I also need to fill in the credits over here. Right now I've just got some joke alternate titles that were suggested by, who was it again? Oh, Zplax, I think, was the one. Alright, let's keep leaving here to make sure it loops. Alright. I think it's looping. It's only a matter of time until the VTuber virus spreads and all dev streamers succumb to the cuteness. I know, right? It's bound to happen. There's no stopping it. I really wish I didn't use my points already to unlock Doohoo Vibe once, because now would be the perfect time. Yeah, I know the feel. You gotta, oh, what is it? I used this one. Let me grab some of them. I used this one. I'm gonna start using this one more. This one's perfect. I love this one. This one's really fun. Ah, shoot, there's just too many of them. But yeah, like, I don't know. It's fun to collect folks' emotes. Gotta catch them all, right? I did platformer. Here there be slimes. This is like the easier slime level. But we'll see if it's actually easier. Oh, that'll give me a little bit of shields. So yeah, it's pretty easy at only 5 slime kills, because the percentage of slime coin drops are still really good even at that level. I must collect all the cute streamers. I know, right? And the cute streamers and all their emotes, especially the cute ones. Alright, we got one more to try. Oh, we already did this one. it's the tutorial level. So I think that's all of them. This is a nice combination of backgrounds. Alright, I think that's out of the way. Godot for the Enterprise. Godot Con 2021. Nice. Jim, if you want, could you also post that link in the video box section on the Discord, so other people can find it, and also so I can find it later when I want to watch it, or so that I can remember to watch it. More like. Never say Jim doesn't deliver. Yeah, Jim's super helpful. But yeah, you should also check out Jim's channel. I don't know how often you stream anymore, Jim, but I remember it was a pretty chill time. Especially with your, like, Raspberry Pi kitty cams. I mean, just having a stream of cats alone is enough to get me into it, so... Yeah, like, speaking of cats, I had an idea when I was a kid that it would be really neat to have what I called a catrium or a cat atrium, which was like you would just have this little room you'd sit in, and all around you was like glass windows into like this huge playground where hundreds of cats were just doing all sorts of stuff. And you just go in this room to sit and just watch some cats. And like, I feel like it would be really good therapy. And then, and then the reason why I wanted it all enclosed and get a glass was so that even people with cat allergies could enjoy it. Because the rest of my family all has cat allergies except for me. So that's why we couldn't get a cat. But yeah, maybe someday, if I'm, for some reason, somewhat wealthy, I'll make that cat atrium. You are the strong one chosen by the cats? I know, right? Also have cat allergies, but I still want a cat so bad. Yep, I know what you mean. Or, I just want a cat. I don't have cat allergies, so I guess I don't. I know, but, word stumbles. A pin? Thanks, Titan Seeker. Let's check it out. More sleepy cat. Nice. I do already have you in there. Okay. Let's put you right in my hood. There you go. Take a nice little nap in there, cat. Cats are great, but mine only loves my grandma. Yeah, cats have a weird thing where they kind of like pick a human, and that human becomes the chosen one. Or at least the cats I've interacted with seem to do that. I have cat allergies and I have 4 cats. Oh no! I think I remember you actually telling me that. But it's still super cute that you go above and beyond to just have some cats. I think I'm going to get one anyways eventually. They're too cute to resist. Yes, they are very too cute to resist. I used to foster a cat, but it was a different time, and I was in a sort of bad relationship, and it didn't work out. But for the time that I was fostering the cat was kind of like a little ray of sunshine. Titan Seeker makes the sacrifice to the cute. Yep. Thanks. Yeah, I'd kind of like a cat Casio. Not sure I can make it happen in an apartment. Um, I mean, you kinda already sorta have a mini one. Like, the glass screen could be your camera on the Raspberry Pi. And that's how we can sit and watch it. Lots of my family is at least mildly allergic to cats. None of them care. Cats everywhere. Nice. Good to hear it. Not that they're allergic, but that they have a bunch of cats. My wife is the cat's favorite. They're only interested in me if she's busy. Oh dear. If you get a cat as a kitten, their dander won't affect you as much by the time they get older. Oh, that's a neat trick. Oh, I want a kitten. What else was I gonna work on? Oh, yeah, I need to work on the credits. You are in the overworld. Level select arcade. My aunt is good with cats. She has two, and they follow her everywhere, disturbing her nonstop. Oh no! The prime mission of a cat is to find you and distract you and acquire cuddles and scritches, but only when they want it, not when they don't want it. If they don't want it, they'll scratch you. But not in like a mean scratch way, in sort of just like a, hey, no, I'm done playing sort of way. Also, I've heard that, hi Follow, thanks for the follow. Yeah, I've also heard that if you get a cat as a kitten and you raise them, like, they're way more likely to be affectionate with you. And like the cat that I fostered, really didn't like my partner at the time. It was kind of sad. They like me all right though, but I think that's because they kind of, I don't know. They sort of shared my office with me. So it was more like I had a cat roommate. Right. What do I want to do? Let's go to the tile map. I think I'm gonna make a room like up in here. And this will be where I'll store the joke titles of the game. Maybe. Maybe put you a bit out more. Like that. Nope. Like that. Yeah, so this will be like a separate little room. Like that. There we go. Oh, now's the time of night, I think, when I'm gonna put on some lo-fi chill hopping stuff. Gotta start winding you folks down. Start getting you nice and relaxed. That one might be too relaxed. Let's find this one maybe? Not hearing anything. Could just be slow to start. Oh, I'm hearing something. It's starting. That's super quiet though. Let's find a different one. Oh, here we go. Yeah. That's getting nice and chill. Can you all hear it okay? Alright. This way to credits. Got those in there. But these should actually be... probably up there. And then... like that. And then let's move you over. Duplicate you. Make your level. Alternate titles. Okay. Whoops, nope. Don't want that. Rectangle. There we go. Scoot you right there. So this area right here is where I automatically generate all the arcade machines. I guess I wouldn't have to automatically make them anymore. In fact, maybe I don't want to. Maybe I want to manually place them in a neat way and have like props and stuff in here. That might be feature creepish though. Kind of want to get this game on itch. So let's find the credits. Let's rename you to alternate titles. Alternate titles title. It's the title of the alternate titles. And you are alternate title 1. And you alternate title 2. Now let's scoot over here. Sorry. Duplicate you and bring you down over here. Let's rename you to credits. Credits 1? No, just credits. And I think as a child of you, I might actually want a rich text one. I haven't used rich text yet. Some text. Looks like you're using the correct font, but how do I change your formatting? BB code? Oh, right. I don't have the restriction anymore. I can actually look this stuff up now. Oh. Rich text. BB code? Oh. That's all it is. I gotcha. Oh, nice. It has colors too. Aha. I can have URLs in there? Oh, this could be pretty cool. All right. Rich text label on meta clicked. Okay, let's do this. Meta clicked on here. Oh, thanks, Titan Seeker. Let me think now. Not you. Is that really all I need to do? Shell open in there. It's also possible to store JSON URL. Oh, so you can send a JSON package along with. That's kind of neat. Tornado effect? Do I need to put tornado on a thing? Rainbow effect could be neat. I wonder if this is what GokiDev uses in a lot of his projects. For like all the descriptions and stuff. Well, let's give it a try. Let's do BB code. It is unadvised to use the plus equals operator with BB code, as it replaces the whole text and causes slowdowns. I see. So I won't use it. Do I want to put this here, or should I put it in the script? I want to put it in the script. Might get kind of hard to edit in here. Well, let's just test it out in here for now. And let's see what you do. Let's mosey on over to the credits area and see what happens if I click on you. Hey, it works. I mean, this is fine. This is my server, and I don't want people like, you know, this server is basically my junk drawer online. Cat jam? It's okay, I bring my own jam. Oh, do I not have... There's probably an emote pack I don't have enabled. I've got the Better TV one and the, what's the other one? What ones are you? Yeah, I need to enable more of them. CatJam is BTTV, but I don't think CatJam is global. Oh, gotcha. Can I click through me? I don't think so. Oh, yeah, I can. Alright. So that is not the credit I actually want. The credit I actually want is... we need this one. I forget, can I do lists in here? Unordered lists or ordered lists would be fine. Ghost? I can make a ghost? Nice. It's just one that is in a lot of places. Oh, I gotcha. I should make... Wait. I need to figure out that those extended emotes things. But I'll have a dancing cat soon enough. Don't you worry. Hold on a minute. I heard a thing, but I'm pretty sure it was in... I've heard this before, and I'm pretty sure it's in the soundtrack I was listening to. Let's listen again to see if we hear it. Waiting for the sound effect. Gonna hear it, maybe. Because, yeah. Should be right around here. I'm listening to this one. There it is! Okay, so I wasn't going crazy. I guess I'm listening to a Twitch stream recording? That's kind of neat. I just thought it was like a bunch of different art and stuff. Right. Lists. Do you have lists? List? List of valid color options. Oh. Godot, rich, text, list. List support. This would be nice. Lists are implemented in master. Fixed in 4.0. It's strange the little things that you find here and there that you're just waiting for 4.0 for. I didn't think this would be one of them, though. So no lists. I'll just make a pseudo list. Music, credits. Like that. Oh, nice. You can edit it in this more full mode. I don't know why I didn't click this sooner to figure out what it did. This is super helpful though. Alright. Let's see what the other one was. Where did this arcade music thing come from? I feel like... Let me go quick. scraping through my history. Oh, I think I found it. Yeah, I found it. Nice. Okay. This one. Alright. We got those credits. Now let's see for art assets. Art 2D art credits. Where did I find the slime? I liked the slime. Open game art. I'm pretty sure it was in here. I'll log in quick and go here. Let me think. I'm just gonna type in slime. That's close, but that's not it. Oh wait, if I remember right, it was like a sprite map. There it is, jiggling slime. Author, this one. Okay. Got that. What other art assets? Those I made. I tried to go through and make most of them again. Oh, Camimu. Where should I link to Camimu stuff? If I remember right, Camimu had, was it in self promo? Yeah, Camimu made the gems. I think I'll probably link Camimu's Twitter, but I'll ask him later what he wants. Let's see. Those are... Oh yeah, the Sprite. So initially this was very much quote from Cave Story, pretty much just ripped from it. But now the hair is different. There's a cat on top. The scarf cloak thingy is different, but the rest of the body is still very much the same. So I'll need to go in and edit it some more until it's like completely different. I mean, technically speaking, I did place all of these pixels because I had to do some weird resizing on it. But I mean, it's basically like I traced it. What else? Oh, the sponge. I still don't know why this sponge is in here or where it's from. I was even looking back through some of my old streams to try and figure it out. But if any of you know why this sponge is here, or why I put it there, let me know. Those were all made. Oh, right. The keys. All of these keys. Where did I get them from? I'm betting it was Open Game Art. Keys? Not arrow keys. Is there a way I can see what I've downloaded? Yes! Oh, this one. I better get that one too. I didn't use any of these. I think I used some of those. Download credits file? Is it really that easy? Nice. That'd be super easy if that's true. Whoops. Come back. Here. This file is for informational purposes only. I gotcha. I'm not too worried because I'm going to be releasing this game for free. But even still... Credit. This is not mandatory. Well, I want a credit. I'll credit you. Wait. This there. Oh, I'm gonna bring you back to this mode. Yeah, nice. All right. Shimmer glitter magic. Where are you? Ah, too big. Get small, browser. Get small. The Berklee College of Music, submitted by... Oh. I need to read up on differences of the copyrights. Must give appropriate credit. Okay. So I'm thinking I want... this one? How do I credit you? I go here? Did it not open up a browser? All right. I feel like I'm going down a rabbit hole of trying to find how to credit this. And I'm not even actually sure if I'm using it anywhere. Shimmer glitter magic. I don't think I am. Oh, no, I definitely am using that one. I just probably called it something different. Where are you? Okay. Mini Nova, I'm pretty sure. It's a torrenting site? I'm just gonna link this. Because I have no idea. That's as far as I could get. Alright, let's check some more. Sorry if it's not too interesting, everyone, to just watch me sort of roll on through credits. But it's gotta be done. Metal sounds. Oh yeah, that's what I'm using for the hits when, if you use my works, leave a comment with a link to your project. Wait a minute, this is a chicken and an egg problem. I need to have a project before I can link it, but I need to do this before I can have a project. I'm just gonna credit you like that. Oh, also, you're not 2D art. Sound or SFX credits. Get you in there. All right. What's up next? Falling Rock. Do I use you? Oh, nope, I'm not using that one anymore. Jingling Heel. I think I'm using that one. Alright. Like that. Then Spell Sound Starter Pack. I'm very likely using something from here. Oh, yep, right away I even heard one. Okay, good. What did they want? I'll give you this one. Credit there. Okay. Jiggling slime. I already credited you. Richard Lewis. Oh, okay. You want this link instead. What did I link? I linked that. So I think instead I should link this one. Whoop. Energy drain. Sorry. I'm pretty sure I'm using that, but I think I changed it a bit. Right? Got your link. Alright. Keyboard keys. I'm pretty sure I'm not using this pack. Nope. Sand step movements. Oh yeah, I used part of that for when the spikies crumble. So the Blender Foundation? What? Apricot? I suppose that's what I need to use. All right. Yeah, they made a game. Gotcha. Also, hi Camimu. How's your evening going? Laser fire. Am I using you? Whoa. That's a lot of lasers. Yes. I feel like that's the one I'm using. Hiya, doing pretty good. Good to hear. How am I doing? Not too bad. Still feeling kind of stuffy, kind of sick, but not too bad. Just sort of going through and putting finishing touches all over. I don't know if you were here earlier, but I went through and beat every level that I made, just to make sure that they were all beatable. And I did uncover a couple of bugs that I had to fix. Credit me is DKLon somewhere. I'll do you one better. I'll provide a link to your page. Oh, right, Camimu. I wanted to ask how you want to be credited, because you made the gems in the game. I put your Twitter URL in there, but I can do something else if you want. Okay, I did use this one, and that's 2D art. You can link to Twitter or itch. Gotcha. If that's the case, I think I want to do the itch. Because I'm not that big a fan of Twitter. It's kind of depressing, I feel. Chill vibes are doing their work? Good to hear. Can I take that to mean you are getting sleepy? Twitter really is depressing. I know, right? I tried using it a little bit every few years I'll try using it. And I end up just sort of closing down that account because it's, I don't know. Let's go to Camimoop and get your itch page, which looks a lot more fun. Not to say your Twitter account doesn't look fun, but I mean just itch in general I feel is more fun. And this one, wait, copyright. So I think I'll link to you there. Hey, that's a nice little ice cream. Very relaxing? Good to hear. Good to hear. Pixel Art TV set. Okay, I just used that as a reference material. Didn't actually use that. But now I gotta find how come it didn't update in there? Oh, there's a scroll bar in there? I don't want that. Scroll following? Scroll active? No. Fit content height. There we go. Hi Pikachu fans. How's your evening going? Sorry if I sound a little out of it today, Pikachu fans. I'm, like, in the midst of a cold, I think. Or maybe the flu, 'cause yesterday my stomach wasn't doing so hot. What was I? Oh, right, the keys. These input images. Where did they come from? How do I even find out? I wonder if I have them saved in like... it's okay, and I don't mind if you're loud or not, because it doesn't bother me. Oh, I'll try not to be loud. If anything, I'll probably end up being too quiet. I've been off the past 2 to 3 days too, but it's almost impossible to be something caught as I've been playing Coding Hermit lately. Yeah, but I mean, you can still kinda... Could be allergies, or maybe it could be like, you know, just every so often, your body, I feel, just needs some rest. Like an extra rest. But for me, it could definitely be something I caught. Because lately I've been out and about again for work. Now that the COVID numbers in this area are low enough. Assets, images. Ah, this is it. It's even got a oh, sorry for blinding everyone. Feel free to credit me if you use anything in this pack. Yes. I do want to credit you. But how do I credit you? You don't have a link. Oh, this is the publisher of Monster Prom? I remember that game, I think. Let's check out this person. Yeah, this is it. I think. I'm almost positive this is it. Yeah. We want the rich text. Okay. That's good. What else am I using that would need some credits? Got the music, got the sounds. The backgrounds are all stuff that I made. Yeah, nothing in any of that stuff. It would just be in assets. Fonts. That's right, I should credit the fonts. Which one are you again? What font am I using? Astrospace. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm using this one for the titles. By web font. Okay. I think I'll just link to the font maybe. Fonts. Font credits. Think that's good for that one. And Sunny spells regular. Sunny spells regular font. Font meme? I don't think I'm using that one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not using this one anywhere. What font is my theme using? Let's do label, font, Astrospace. Oh, so they are just using Astrospace. That makes it easy. So I don't think I need this Sunny spells in there anymore. Are required by other resources. Assets, fonts. Resources, dynamic fonts, button font. I am using it. I'm using it for the buttons. Okay. Good to know. Is this the right one, though? I mean, it must be, right? I'll just copy that and paste you here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Looking for something? Oh, I'm just kind of going through and finding all the credits for all the stuff I used. I want to make sure and credit all the people, all their work that I used. There we go. Wait a minute. F68393 MV9ZE. This must include this. Very smart. I will have to do the same thing with my own games. Yeah, it's a good habit to get into, I think. Even if the stuff says you don't have to credit them, I feel like you still oughta. Just cause it's, I don't know, I feel like it's a nice thing to do. Alright, now let's make the font bigger. Styles. Normal font. Quick load. Score font. Description font. I think I need a new one. Kamimoop posted a link. Let's check it out. Is that a ghost? And some seagulls? A bird. Oh, I see it now. Yeah, you can see it better if you zoom out a bit. Nice, nice. Yeah, Kamimoop's been into a lot of pixel art lately. Oh, I forgot if I gave you a shout out. I've been watching Kamimoop's stream too. It's really fun to watch, and I feel like I learn a lot about making pixel art. Alright, let's do new dynamic font. Whoa, that got tiny. Astrospace. Size 24. That's pretty honkin' big. Let's use the filter. What do I want? Outline, color, black. Yeah, let's give it a 2. Extra spacing. Oh, that's what that does. Top. Bottom. Oh, nice. Let's bring you up to maybe 5. Alright, now get rid of this label. Now let's do... I'm glad it's helpful. Nice. I mean, yes, it is very helpful. Yeah, I feel like I've come a long way from your help and from watching your stream. How do I fit the content horizontally? Both? That's not what I wanted. Size flags? Expand? No. Do I have to put it on here, maybe? Fit content height? Well, what about fit content width? Row direction? Both? Do you want it to not wrap? Yes. I want it to not wrap. Is there a flag for wrapping? I'm not sure. Custom effects? What are you? Rich text effect? What? I don't know what this is, so we're not going to use it. Hi, John Tupielski. Welcome to the channel. And there's a reason. The reason I'm using it is because I want to use this BB code thing so that when people click on the links, they actually work. Or wait, can you? Yeah, I don't think you can do that in a regular label. I wonder if I just need to manually adjust it to make it bigger. Hi, Polynimity. How's your evening going? If I were some rich text, deedle-dee-dum, all day long I'd Comic Sans along. If I were a rich text fan, I wouldn't have to font hard. Music note. Mood as F evening. Aw, feel free to vent if you want. I'll give it a listen. Fiddler on the Roof reference? I totally missed it. Oh, no need to vent. I'm having a very good time. Oh, good to hear. Good to hear. Alright, I'm just gonna make this bigger. There. Now I don't have to worry. Went from memeing about Glico 2 to contemplating why this TTS wasn't working to making a fiddler reference. Sounds like a pretty busy evening. I wish you well in your endeavors. I think this is good. I'll add some more to it later, though, as I add more stuff. For now, though, let's close off that section. And the arcade carpet, too. How's the claw machine? Getting very close to me being comfortable to put it on itch. Pog, thanks. I will now read all chat in Zero Mostel's Tevi voice. I am totally missing some references. Take my energy, etc. Very hype for you right now. Oh, thanks. That makes me really happy. Yeah, it'll be like the first game that I've ever made available to the public that I actually felt like was sort of finished, kinda. I forget if Zero Mostel is the good Tivi or the bad Tivi. I'm gonna have to look up this fiddler on the roof, just so that I can get the reference and the jokes. This, there. Fiddler on the Roof film. Oh, it was a film? For whatever reason, I was thinking it was a play. Fiddler is an old 70s musical about diaspora Jews in Russia. Oh! So I feel like I should know about that just for historical stuff. Probably a play too? It definitely has a play-sounding name. Not in a bad way, just, and not that that's a bad thing. Let's see. Trying to make this room kinda fancy. Like, that looks kinda neat. Maybe? I don't know. It was a good movie. Haven't seen it in ages. Hope it aged well. A lot of my childhood movies didn't. Yeah, I'm kinda feeling the same way about a lot of childhood anime that I used to watch. I feel like if I were to go back and watch it now, I might not like it as much. That's a slightly complicated reframing, but let's roll with it. Too long to read. Main character Tevi is Tevi is clinging to tradition in Anaktiva. Tevka. 3 daughters getting married, lead in Siberia. It's about Tevi's struggle with tradition in the context of ultimately getting expelled from their home. That sounds kind of depressing. But I suppose it's, those are the kind of ones that I feel, live or withstand the test of time. I think was the phrase I wanted to use. And yeah, there's a written play version. Very good time. Nice. That might be the one I'll check out. Or the kind I'll check out. Yeah, it looks like you gotta use a script to get the rich text labels content with. Gotcha. Well, for now I think it's fine if I just manually edit it. But if I ever wanted to do some complicated stuff, it's good to know that that's what I have to look into. I don't know if it's a timeless story. Hard to say that Dinosaur Tales would age bad, especially as we're on the brink of Buku climate refuge unfun times. Yeah, I feel you there. Yeah, child of the 70s and 80s, steeped in non-inclusive stuff. Didn't even know heteronormativity even existed before 1984. I don't know, like, depressing is complicated, I think, for that particular cultural context. I see. And yep, Jim, I gotcha. Context clues for no, for no as in to know. So I gotcha. But like, the same reaction with stuff like Mouse. Mouse was super depressing. I remember reading that when I was a lot younger. There's no savior narrative in a lot of Jewish art struggle with the horrors of history. Yeah, it's got some very real stuff in it. But I think it's very important to, you know, consume at least a bit of that content so you can kind of get a feel for it. Alright, this is looking okay, I think. Let's see what else. I think I should do a build. I think I'm at a pretty good spot right now. I could beat all the levels. I didn't see any overly glaring bugs. Let me just double check that these are both set to loop. Yes. So I think the next stuff I want to do is probably just find some more music, you know, a couple more tracks. And that should be it. I'm almost feeling like sort of a spell of dissociation from almost being done with a game. Like, I never thought I'd get to that point. The good TV, bad TV memeing. Chaim Topal played TV in the 71 movie version, but I had to look it up. Very hyped for me? Oh, thanks! Cherish these feels. They'll be good fuel for the next project. Yep, I'm starting the next... That's actually... So one of the main reasons I wanted to start finishing this one is because I have a pretty fun idea for the next project. Finishing things? Yep. I think this game is close to being as finished as I want for now. Which is to say, sort of finished. I'll probably revisit it somewhere in the not too distant future, but I kind of want to learn to do 3D stuff now. Projects. Not builds. Oh, yeah, it is builds. Okay. Oh, it wasn't Zero Mustel in the movie. It was... Are you talking about actors? Or... I don't know, probably legally required to froth in citing Stark Petty's Cult of Don... I think you two are a bit too smart for me. I will Um, I'll appreciate any direction you want to give me for consuming the information that you're talking about. The actors for... Oh, I gotcha. Gotcha. Let's see. Export. What? Oh. I probably have an export template for the older version of Godot. I think I need to get the newer one. Yeah, that's that one. Oh, no, what one fool can do, another can. I'm very much a fool. Sounds like a quote. Cult of Done or Don is a quick read. Let me find a good version of it. Yeah, if you want, you should post it in the Discord. I don't know what channel reading material would be in. I guess I need to make a reading channel. Got music box and video box. I should probably have like a text box. I never saw the play. Topol's performance and appearance is so... No, you don't have to stop talking about Fiddler. Call it rich text box? Alright. You wanted the rich text box. You're gonna get it. Boom, it's in the Discord. Put your tasty text-based, put, not your, some text-based reading material here. There we go. Text box has been added to Discord. I probably should pass on joining a Discord. I have a very feral queer vibe that will not mesh in your community, that venue. It's up to you. I mean, no pressure if you want to join. Here's a text version that doesn't properly attribute Stark, but whatever. Alright. I got the link opened. I'll check it out. 3 states of being: not knowing, action, completion. Everything is a draft. Helps get it done. No editing stage. Blah blah blah, done is the engine of more. Do you mean like, now that I'm done with this project, the next one becomes the more? Wait. Did it install it? I'll export you, and I'll move you up to my server. I mean, that's a good reading of that, sure. Also just quoting part 13 in the manifesto. I gotcha. Hi Exodrifter, how's your evening going? Let's see. Been real tired, trying to catch up on sleep. I feel you there. I've been feeling under the weather for a while. So this stream might be a little more relaxed than normal. There are a lot of people here? Yeah. Jim convinced shoot, I'm brain farting. Real good? No. Time Enjoyed. That was it. Jim convinced Time Enjoyed to raid me. She was learning Python stuff. Thanks, Aaron. Yeah, so much stuff was happening that it just sort of slipped my already foggy brain. He almost typed it in time. Oh dear. But thanks for the trying to help. Python Pog. Import anti-gravity. Wait a minute, I feel like that's a joke I might actually know the reference to. Was it an XKCD one? Heard my name, was listening to music. Yeah, Time Enjoyed by way of Learning with Leon. Yes, it was an XKCD one? Nice! Yes, I love XKCD. It's super fun. Hydrate? Will do. Thanks, Exodrifter. I need to catch up on XKCD again. I remember like years ago, they used to make some really neat, like dynamic web content that were like comic strips, but so much more. Bible thing you're flying? How? Oh, yeah, I remember that. Python, or plausibly everything in the medicine cabinet. Yeah, I really want to get better at Python. Because I feel like it'll be super handy to make quick scripts to do neat stuff. Hi, Sergio Deva. Thanks for the follow. Let's get this stuff up to here, and your claw. XKCD is very plainly a masterpiece. Rereading it from scratch for a bit is always fun. Yeah. It's complicated. Hello, it's Rufio was the starting... Oh, you're talking about the stream rabbit hole that I'm now the latest part of. So to anyone who's been stream surfing their way here, welcome. You're welcome. My partner and I both like your avatar. Oh, thanks. I'm really happy about it. It was based pretty heavily on quote from Cave Story, Lane from Serial Experiments Lane, and Ruby Rose from Ruby. Yes, Python is very much perfect glue code language. Perfect kind of contentious point there, but it's very good. Yeah, like, I feel like you could join separate systems together with it really easily. Rate chains are very interesting as a creative form. They're like, I always picture them in my head as these snowballs that are getting larger and bigger as they roll across all the terrain. I'm familiar with some synth DJs that do long raid train shows. Oh, that'd be a fun thing to follow. Like, they each have their own sets, and you listen as you go. They recognized Ruby and Lane? We need to watch Lane again. I need to watch Lane again. Super good show, but you gotta be sure to be in the right headspace before you start watching it, because it can be a little mind altery. Yep, and useful for a number of platform incentive ways. You can accrue following a long chain of channels. Yeah. 100%? Yeah, about Lane? Yeah, for sure. Also, is this your first time here? Did you happen to catch the earlier tour I gave? If not, I can give you a tour, if you'd like. Okay. RWW. It's gonna be Nova Game. Then it's there. Then it's there. Then it's there? Yeah, so basically this is my junk drawer server. It's a pretty cheap one that I just kind of plop stuff in. So, yeah, I ended up being pulled along via the raid chain from Leon's stream team. AFK for the tour, thanks since we were having supper. Junk drawer server? Yeah, I know, right? So I'm, for my profession, I'm a systems engineer. So I've got a whole bunch of these things just all over the place that I have access to. This one's a personal one though. Man Wolf was a streamer I initially forgot. She rated time enjoyed. Hello, it's Rufio. Oh, like from the Pan movie? Was doing JS Code Wars and learn with Leon Discord link. Nice. To make colored circles look really cool. Page Allworth, guess I should put them in Discord. Yeah, feel free to put them in the promote others section. Here's the Discord link to anyone who might be new. And then if anyone wants to try the Claw Machine game, it's right here. And it should be working. Oh no! I found a bug. I mean, it's not really a bug. I just forgot to fill in some carpet. Yikes. I'll do that right now. But yeah, to anyone who might be new, hi, I'm Nova. I'm learning the Godot game engine by making a Claw Machine game. And it's almost done, I think. Or at least as done as I need it to be for me to feel comfortable moving on to another project. And if any of you happen to do any art stuff or game dev stuff, feel free to self-promote in chat or on the Discord server. And if you want, I can try to bring some of your stuff up on stream. For the channel itself, I'm trying to make super relaxing content that you can use to wind down the evening, put on in the background while you study, or maybe even to help you fall asleep. I welcome any and all backseating or advice or guidance that you're willing to give, and I hope you enjoy your stay. I'm excited to see what you try for a 3D project. Well, I've got a few different ideas. One of the ones I'm kind of leaning towards right now is I've seen some, I don't know what they're called, but like, they take like an old school regular Nintendo game or something, and then they remake it, but in 3D. I kind of want to do that to a game. Not gonna say which game yet, but you'll see it when you see it. I think that was good for that. Let's see what else there is. Oh yeah, since Exodrifter's in here, yeah, she has the songs that are in the game right now. They're really very good. And she also streams her own game dev stuff. And I guess tomorrow she has a kind of a special stream that she's hoping to collect a bunch of people to raid one of her friends that is working on a really interesting game that has to do with like an old like Windows XP interface nostalgia romp. I don't know too many of the details, but I'm excited to find out. So if you know, if you have the time, you should stop by tomorrow for the raid party, I guess. Yeah. Thanks for the link, Exodrifter. I also need to check that out too. Feel like it'd be something I'd like. Let's see. What other stuff did I need to work on? Do I want to make another background? I think we have enough. I wonder how big this is. $32 megabytes. That's not too bad. The like main Godot package that comes with like all the engine code itself for running games, I think is only around 30 megabytes. So that's not too bad for the additional assets and stuff that I have. I'm guessing it's this pack file that includes most of it. Pretty neat stuff. I need to take some time and start reading the Godot codebase more seriously. Yeah, I should dive a little deeper too, I think. Just for like, you know, being familiar with it. Let's see. What should we listen to next? What? Oh, we're listening to that. Scrolled too much. Here we go. There. That's nice and peaceful. AFK? Alright, Exodrifter. I hope you're... whatever you're AFKing about is super fun. Was doing some cursory skims of the project velocity and very comforted to see more than like 10 people regularly committing per month. Oh, that's really encouraging. Yeah, that makes me happy that it's got a lot of eyes on it. I feel like the Godot project, I haven't checked in a long while. What are they at? 15,000 a month. Nice. I think when I first started looking at it, it only had like 5,000 a month. So this means they could probably get... Well, not many developers, to be honest. But at least a few. Especially if they themselves are contributing a bunch. I've heard some grumbles about their project governance. I don't know, there's some complication there, but I wasn't chatting with someone very roughly. but I was chosen very thoroughly in explaining why they didn't like the way the project was run. Oh, I guess I haven't really looked into any of that either. Avatar pin? Will do. Thanks, Kami. Oh, that's super cute. Let me grab that little ghosty. Put you in my pins folder. And I'll plop you right over here. Like you're on my forehead, just kinda nice. That's what I wanted to happen. So it's kinda waving out there. Alright, let's take a look. What else should I work on? I need to... Oh, I'll need to test out more controllers with it, I feel. I don't have them ready yet, though, to test. But I want it to at least work with the DualShocks 4 and 5, and the Xbox controller. Is there like a list of the most common controllers? I remember Steam had a controller for a while, and I got one free somehow, like from Steam. But I remember not liking it very much. It had a weird feel to it. I don't know. I don't know what else I should work on. Oh, shoot. It's already 1 in the morning. Well, I guess I just time zone myself, but... okay. I think I'm gonna start winding down the stream. Before I do, last chance for anyone who wants to put... wants me to bring up any of their stuff in the stream. Like any art or game dev stuff. And while that is mulling over in your brains, let's see who we should raid. Let's see who we should raid. Oh.
Bro, people don't know how to 3D. Beginners don't know how to 3D consistently.
Sugoi-chan is streaming Nier Automata stuff?
I think it would be about as fast if you slow
or working on resources.
what a beginner is going to.
Okay.
Working on resources for Nier Automata?
I expect them to be good enough to do the DGs.
True. I mean, you want me to get rid of the buff strat?
Going to end the stream already? Yeah, I'm gonna end it a little earlier than I do normally, because I'm still not feeling 100% yet.
Yeah.
And again, it's really weird.
Or let's also check to see if there's any Godot dev stuff going on. Thanks for the follow, Eddie TCS. I hope you enjoyed your stay here.
Yeah, I think like for certain things, it's like if you can.
You know what? I want to raid.
Like
her.
Esting for Eve. I feel like it's worth pointing out that like dog, there's different SD thresholds for different things that are gonna.
Because I really like Nier Automata.
Optimization or is it just good?
So let's do that.
Like, yeah. But
Yeah, it's weird. Yeah.
Thanks for stopping by, everyone. Let's all go say hi.
Because like
I'll be streaming again,
literally is just like
not tomorrow, because I want to hang out with Exodrifter on their raid party. But I'll try streaming again on Friday. I have a kind of neat idea for something I want to try out.
it's just gonna be written
So I hope to see some of you there. But for now,
I think the one thing
let's go over
somewhere else in the guide,
here.
it'd be like, this strategy saves X seconds
Thanks,
over
Cammy
another
Moob.
strategy.
And I will feel better. I know it. I am already sort of feeling better.
Yo, dog, buffing is like 2
Alright,
seconds faster
bye.
than just being bad, and like not buffing is 2 seconds faster than that, or something like that.
I'm back.
We can.
Oh,
we
welcome
can
back.
Why not just rename it to like strat compilation as opposed to skip compilation?